Namaste, dear children. I hope all of you are fine. In previous day, I taught you the story regarding your lesson number 1, that is Sindbad the sailor. In that story, I told you who was Sindbad, where he lived, and what he was doing. According to the story, Sindbad was a sailor. He used to sail from one place from another place with his friend to sell his goods. One day, he and his friends landed on an island and had a good meal. Meal means lunch or dinner, and they got a nice sleep on the shore. When Sindbad woke up, he saw nobody near him. This much I taught last day. I hope all of you understood. This day I am continuing the same lesson, so you have to turn page number 10. In page number 10, you have to put today's date, that is 4/9/2020. Okay, shall I start reading the anatomies and glossaries of this page? Okay, children. Glossary means difficult word meanings. Chunk, large or thick piece of something. Claws, the long curved nails at the end of an animal's or bird's feet. Collected, gathered. Turban, a long piece of cloth tied around the head. Feed on, to eat. Anatomies is nothing but opposite words. Whose opposite word is tiny, noticed opposite word is unnoticed, and found opposite word is lost. In the continuation of lesson, we can see suddenly something fell near me. Me means, don't be confused children, me means Sindbad in the story. Sindbad. It was a chunk of meat. Chunk means piece. Then Sindbad saw that there were several chunks of meat everywhere. He could see some men throwing huge piece of meat on the valley from the hills. As they threw the meat chunks, many huge birds came flying down and picked the meat with their claws. Sindbad wanted to know who these men were and why they were throwing meat for the birds. Then Sindbad noticed something shining under one of the meat chunks. It was a diamond. A bird picked it up and rose. Rose means not a flower. Flying eye is called rose, children. Flied high up in the air. Then things became clear to Sindbad. These men wanted the diamonds, but they were too scared to come down to the valley as there were snakes everywhere. So, they were throwing meat chunks in the hope that some diamonds would get stuck to them. I means Sindbad wanted to know where the birds were flying off with the meat and how the men collected the diamonds later. So Sindbad thought of a plan. He tied a large piece of meat to his body using his turban. One of the birds saw the piece of meat Sindbad had tied to himself. It picked Sindbad up and carried Sindbad to its nest. At the other end of the island, Sindbad found the nest filled with the diamonds. Sindbad had to come out of the nest quickly as the birds in the nest were ready to feed on the meat. In the picture you can see how Sindbad was watching what is happening to the chunks of meat, and after tying the turban to his body with chunks of meat, how the bird took him up and flied. Understood? Here you can see the nest is full of diamonds where the birds were collecting it. Okay? Along with this, they asked us small questions. What object fell near Sindbad and what were the men doing? These two small questions answer you have to write in your HW. Okay? Along with anatomies and glossaries. Along with this work, I am also giving the list of different anatomies and list of collective nouns. You have to write all these things in your homework book with today's date one time. Okay, children, I hope all of you understood today's my class.